Here is how to turn off Samsung Z Fold 6 if your touchscreen is working and also if not. So the first way, if your touchscreen is working, is you long press both power and volume down. So press and hold these two together and release when you see this power menu, then tap power off twice. The second way, and this is easier than pressing the buttons, is you swipe down from the top twice and then tap the power icon and then tap power off twice. The third way is great if your touchscreen is not responding. So what you need to do, connect the phone to a computer or an Android. This is an essential step. We're then going to enter recovery mode. So I'm going to show you a key combination. And then we'll do it together. So we first press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds, then release. We then press and hold power and volume up until the Samsung logo shows for a full second, then we release. So prepare your phone, pause the video now, and I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down. Do not release. I'll start counting now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up. And just keep these two held down until you see the Samsung logo. Now this may take multiple attempts, number 1. And number 2, if you try a bunch of times and this doesn't work, you need to swap out the cable you're using as it doesn't support data transfer. So we release now because we saw the Samsung logo for a second, and it should bring us into the recovery mode. So what we do in recovery mode is you can't use the touch. So just click volume up, and it will select the power off, and then click the power to power off. If you boot up the phone in the future and it brings you to recovery mode, just click the power button to reboot the system and it will turn on the phone. But we click power to power off the device, unplug the cable, now the phone should be off. If it does turn back on, it brings you back into recovery, and then click the power off and now it should stay off.